how much should you actually spend on an automatic watering system for your potted plants? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Iridescent Self-Watering Globes. First up is the Iridescent Self-Watering Globes by Planqué. Priced at $16.41, these eye-catching glass globes really caught my attention with their vibrant design. If you want a stylish yet effective way to keep your plants hydrated, this is worth a serious look. So here's why these globes could be a game changer for you. They offer vacation-proof hydration, meaning you can leave your plants for a week and not come back to a dry pot. They slowly release water directly into the soil based on the plant's needs, which eliminates the guesswork of how much to water. At 2.75x 2.75x 7.87 inches, they fit nicely into most pots, providing a consistent water supply without being bulky. Now, some might say they're not big enough for larger plants, and I get that. But here's the thing, these globes are perfect for smaller indoor plants and they're super easy to use. Just fill them up, stick them in the soil, and forget about them. This is perfect for you if you're a busy plant owner who travels often. But skip this one if you have large outdoor plants that need more water. Now, if the size of these globes is a concern for your bigger plants, this next option might be just what you need. Product number 2, ORIMERC Capillary Wick Rope. Next, we have the ORIMERC Capillary Wick Rope, which is a budget-friendly option at just $8.49. What stood out to me is its DIY nature. It feels like a fun project. If you're looking for an affordable, customizable solution for watering your plants, consider this one. This wick system provides a simple way to ensure your plants get moisture without the need for complicated setups. You just connect the rope to a water source and let it do its thing. This means your plants can draw water as needed, preventing over- or underwatering, which is often a big headache for plant parents. It's also great for various plant types, making it versatile. However, some reviews mention that it can be tricky to set up correctly, especially for beginners. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward solution. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a hands-on approach and want to save money. But skip this if you prefer a more automated system without any fuss. Now, if customization isn't your thing, this next product offers a more set-it-and-forget-it approach that might suit you better. Product number 3, MOONSOUND Self-Watering Globes. The third product is the MOONSOUND Self-Watering Globes, priced at $22.73 for a pack of 10. Honestly, I was surprised by how many you get for the price, making it a great value. If you want to ensure all your plants are well hydrated without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. These globes are designed to provide a steady supply of water to your plants, which is crucial for maintaining their health, especially if you're busy or away. The beauty of these globes is they conserve water by delivering it directly to the roots, reducing evaporation and maximizing efficiency. Plus, they're easy to use, just fill, insert, and watch your plants thrive. That said, some users reported that they didn't last very long, which can be disappointing. But here's why it's still worth considering. For the price, you get a lot of globes, and if you're willing to replace them occasionally, your plants will still benefit significantly. This is perfect for you if you have multiple small to medium-sized plants. But if you're looking for a long-term solution with durability, you might want to look at something more robust. Alright, moving on from these stylish globes, the next option is a more high-tech system that does the thinking for you. Product number 4, Automatic Watering System. Coming in at $37.89 is the automatic watering system that supports up to 15 potted plants. This caught my eye because it promises a more tech-savvy solution to plant care. If you want to automate your watering process entirely, this could be a great fit. This system allows you to program the watering schedule, ensuring your plants receive the right amount of hydration at the right time. With a digital timer, you can easily set it up to water your plants while you're at work or on vacation. It's especially useful if you have a variety of plants with different watering needs, as you can customize each schedule. However, some users found the setup a bit complicated, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, it saves you so much time and hassle. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of plants and want to simplify your life. But if you have just a couple of plants, this system might feel like overkill. And lastly, if you're looking for something even simpler, our final product is a straightforward solution that might just meet your needs perfectly. Product number 5, LABOTA Self-Watering Spikes. Finally, we have the LABOTA Self-Watering Spikes priced at $12.62 for a pack of 24. These caught my attention because of the sheer number you get, great for anyone with multiple plants. If you want a no-fuss way to keep your plants hydrated, this one is definitely worth considering. They gradually release water as needed, which means you won't have to worry about your plants drying out when you're away. The adjustable valve lets you control the flow, which is a nice touch for ensuring your plants get just the right amount. That said, some people found that the spikes can sometimes clog up, which is a bummer. But here's why that shouldn't deter you. Most users report that they work well for a while before needing a clean or replacement. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and simple watering solution. But skip this if you need a high-tech system that can handle complex watering schedules. To wrap up, we've looked at 5 great options, ranging from stylish globes to high-tech systems. Each has its unique perks, whether it's the aesthetic appeal of the globes or the convenience of automated timers. It really comes down to your personal needs and how much effort you want to put into keeping your plants happy and healthy. So there you have it, the iridescent self-watering globes for a stylish touch, the ORIMERC capillary wick rope for the DIY enthusiasts, the MOONSOUND globes for budget-conscious plant lovers, the high-tech automatic watering system for automation, and the LABOTA spikes for simplicity. Pick the one that resonates with your plant care style and happy planting.